It's Tuesday, October 21st. Woke up this morning about 7:45. My girlfriend told me to come outside. Somebody had busted into my car. Luckily, the only thing taken was my GPS receiver. So I didn't have any money or anything that I needed, but just sucks. I was up until 4 a.m. this morning with my girlfriend working in our bedroom, which the window is the second window that you see right there, and my car is parked maybe 40 feet away, 50 feet away. There was no alarm. The alarm did not go off until this morning when I reached in and unlocked the door manually. So that's it. No alarm. So I guess they just busted the window, reached in, grabbed my GPS receiver, which was mounted right there on the dash, and pulled the charger with it and took off.